In this video, I will show you how to redeem Etsy gift card. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to go ahead and redeem a gift card on Etsy, whether that's a virtual gift card or a physical gift card, of course, the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to Etsy and log into the account that you want to redeem the gift card on. Once you've done that, what you want to do is come up to the top and you want to click onto your profile icon here where it says your account. And on this menu that comes up, what you want to do is come down and click onto credit balance. Once you've done that, you'll be taken to a screen like this where you can see your total balance. Now, to go ahead and redeem your gift card, all you need to do is enter the code from your card into the box here. And once you've done that, you go ahead and click the redeem button. Now, as long as the code is valid, what it's going to do is add that to your Etsy balance. And then, of course, you can use your balance to shop on Etsy. So that is how to redeem Etsy gift card. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.